Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to prevent changing desktop background on Windows 11 computers. Before prevent changing desktop background, I am going to show you how to change desktop background. Right click on empty area in desktop and click on personalize. Here you will find background. Click on background. I am changing my desktop background here. Close setting. The desktop background has been changed. Now I'm going to show you how to prevent changing desktop background on Windows 11 computer. Go to search. In search type GP edit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative templates. Now expand control panel and click on personalization. Here you will find a setting prevent changing desktop background, and now it's not configured. Just right click on the setting and click on edit. Click on enabled and then click apply and OK. The setting is enabled. Now close group policy editor. Now you need to update your changes in group policy. Right click on start menu, click on run. In run type gp update / force to update group policy immediately. Click on OK. Policy is updating. Now I am going to check. Right click on desktop, click on personalize, then click on background. There is no option to change background on my Windows 11 computer desktop.